In today's video, I'm going to teach you coffee motion graphics in Canva. We'll start by opening a template in Canva so we have a ready-made canvas to work from. Once your design is open, change the background to set the mood. Choose a gradient, then head to your document colors to fine-tune the gradient style. Select the first color stop and shift it to a lighter shade so the background feels soft and inviting, perfect for a coffee theme. Next, upload your image, such as a coffee cup or cafe scene, and drag it onto the canvas. Resize it until it fills the space comfortably. Then use Canva's smart guides to align it neatly in the center. Add your text by inserting a headline and type in your coffee title. Change the font to something that matches your vibe, bold for a modern cafe or a serif for a cozy feel. Adjust the text color and consider styling the upper line differently from the lower line. A combination of dark and light text creates contrast and makes the title pop against the gradient. Reposition the text so it balances visually with the image. Now add decorative elements like coffee beans. Insert them, resize to a natural scale, and position them at the bottom so they frame the design without overpowering it. Look at the media layers at the bottom timeline and reduce the duration of each item so your motion is snappy. Make sure the image, text, and elements all share the same duration. Keeping them consistent helps transitions feel smooth. Open the Pages panel and duplicate the page. On the duplicate, select all media and elements, then group them to keep things organized. Return to the first page and drag the main image slightly downward so it sits just out of view at the bottom. This sets up a subtle entrance movement. On the second page, select the elements there and group them as well. Open Pages. Again, then exit the video view to access transitions between pages. Click the transition icon between your two pages and choose Match and Move. Adjust the animation duration so the motion feels natural, longer for a gentle glide, shorter for a quick snap. Preview your animation to see how the image, text, and beans move cohesively from page to page. If needed, tweak the durations or positions and preview again until it looks just right. And that's it. Your coffee motion graphic in Canva is ready to go.